Samsung microwave. Maybe a week or two old. This is the ME16H702 SES model. There's a serial 078N7WTJ404956P, made in Malaysia. So, when you open it, light comes on, everything's normal. If you shut it, it'll come on by itself and keep running and running until you push that. So if you pull on this handle a little bit, it comes on by itself. What is this crap? When you push on the handle, make the contact more, it turns off. There's something going on with the connection in here or something. Not quite sure. It's up the top here. Look, open it and close it fine. Open and close it pretty softly, it's fine. Open and close it real softly. Okay, you slam it shut, it comes on. That's not even slam though, it's just a shut.